viewers, I regret to inform you there will be no Slime Sam anymore. There will be Slime Sam Monopoly Millionaire! Yay!
I can't believe it! How could I lose so many times?
Believe it, baby. So, you owe me 10 big fat wishes.
Yeah, I get it. I'm totally at your mercy. Hey guys, tip of the day, don't play Monopoly with slimes. I have no idea how, but they just keep winning!
Sue, my wishes are ready!
Oh!
Oh no!
So clumsy. Hey, let's get all your wishes together in a notepad so you don't lose anything.
Good thinking.
Well, we're gonna need some foam sheets, scissors, glue, and a red marker. Let's cut out 2 circles out of yellow foam. They should be the size of the pages. Here. And cut them out neatly by the outline.
Sue, you are so honest. You care about me not forgetting my wishes.
I care about you not adding the new ones.
I would never!
Sam, where are your wishes?
Right here.
Let's see. Make any craft Sammy wants, even if it's weird.
Chop, chop, chop! Reading later.
Okay. Now, to make it look like a real notepad, I'll get the pages together like this. And get some glue on the edge. A little more glue. Hey, it seems like it's more than 10 wishes.
Yes, in case you lose more in the future.
Let's leave the glue to dry. Sam, what emoji should we use?
That's a pickle! I've gotta think.
Sure. And meanwhile, I'll dress the notepad and glue the foam on both sides. Some here. There. And the other foam. There.
This one!
That's a Sam-oji. How about this one?
Whatever.
Our wish notepad is almost finished. I'll highlight some parts with markers like this. And blur it out to make it more live. Hey Sam, what do you think?
It's perfection. You're all mine now.
Guys, if you like the notepad, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I have a lot of crafts for you. Okay. Sam is the CEO of the channel.
And a cutie. Bye, all.